Thank you very much. My name is Ruslan Lakbarov. I'm the CEO of Improtex Industries, which is a company based out of Azerbaijan, has been in operation for over 35 years. Last 4 years, we have designed and made our own anti-personnel and anti-tank mine sweeping machines, which we have on the show here. This one is anti-tank mine sweeper, weighing over 21 ton, and it can explode mines with 11 kilogram TNT and over. We have over 35 of them currently in operation in Karabakh in Azerbaijan, and over the last 3 years, they've been in active clearance. This is our first export to IGG of UAE, and we're looking to expand our business in Middle East and beyond. Well, when we designed our vehicle, we studied our competitors and we took the best from all of them. Ours comes with strongest engine and it has a much wider sweeping range. So productivity per square meter is higher than all of our competitors in the market. No, it's designed from scratch, but we have obviously used the practice of our competitors. We have two types. This is anti-tank, but we have a smaller one, which is weighing around 7-8 ton. That's for anti-personnel mines, and that can explode up to mines of 7 kilogram TNT. So in Karabakh in Azerbaijan that we've been clearing, most of the mines have been actually buried from the 90s, so they're over 30 years old. Our machines haven't missed a mine, so we have a very clean track record in that sense. It's remote operated. The remote control is also designed by our own team, and you can operate it up to 2,000 meters from the machine. Well, like I said, we have the widest shaft in the market. The speed is about 2.5 kilometers per hour, and given that it's wider and the speed, it clears more mine per square meter than our competitors in the market. There is no detection. Actually, the mine sweepers are used until you get to the first mine. Later on, it's the human sweepers do it, but detection system hasn't been developed yet. There's some drone systems, but they're not. The reliability rate is not good enough for the operators to rely on them. We're very honored actually to be hosted by IGG. As you can see in the exhibition, we are the only mine sweeping producer, and we're looking to expand, like I said, in the Gulf as well as in Africa and Asian country, and UMEX in Abu Dhabi is a perfect platform for that.
NAUDI is the National Association of Ukrainian Defense Industries, who is united the leading private defense industry enterprises of Ukraine. We right now have more than 150 enterprises. If we will take the defense industry market, I believe that 80% of the market is private defense industry companies. And the leading and who are literally specializing in the unmanned and autonomous system are represented here on UMEX. So we have more than 15 companies presented here, and definitely the majority of the products are concentrated of the unmanned technologies like UAV, FPV drones, countermeasures, maritime solutions, and the countermeasures like electronic warfare systems. We here represent with the main instruments on the current battlefield, let's say. This is the new, modern, advanced solution of FPV drones. We have the company Ukrainian Armor who are representing here the we have the company General Cherry who is representing the brand new cutting-edge technologies for FPVs as well. We have Ukrspace Systems company who is representing the reconnaissance surveillance drones. With the targeting drones, we have the definitely the main threat for us is right now the UAV kind like Shaheds, and that is why we're developing the countermeasures like interceptors. And here we have 3 companies representing in new solutions: System Electronic Export, the company Piranha Tech, Ukrspace Systems, who are representing the interceptor products to effectively fight with the Shahed type drone. Nowadays we have, let's say, more than 500 to 1,000 Shaheds daily in Ukraine, so we have to find the effective solution who will withstand these threats on the battlefield. We have a UA defense company who is making the mid-size kamikaze drone with the warhead of over 60 kgs. It's a lower silhouette, it's very silent, it's not radar detected. So this is the good solutions to destroy the enemy targets on the sea and rivers as well. It's not that big. We have, you definitely know the different solutions we have with different payloads, but here we're representing the mid-size 60 kg warhead one. We are ready. That is why we're right now establishing a number of the joint ventures with the mainly European customers and European partners. We have, I would say, enough already joint cooperation program. We are participating with our European partners in safe programs as well for rearmament the Europe. There is no, let's say, clear decision that we can easily export all the goods right now. Is definitely the most priority for us is to deliver as much as we can to our Ukrainian armed forces. But anyway, we're keen and we're starting the production of these cutting-edge technologies in European Union, in United States. So we're expanding the market and we're starting the cooperation in order to deliver these goods to other customers as well. We hope that we will finish, we will win this war very soon, and we will definitely start increasing the defense capability of the European region, of the Asian region, depends on the customers' demand. But yes, Ukraine will be ready to provide the most advanced and modern solutions on the market.